and thanks for joining me here at Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Want to find out how to make these quick and easy cornbread crackers that are flavorful, light, and crispy at the same time? Well, this is the recipe for you. Merry COOKMAS Day 6. Thank you guys again so much for joining me for another day of COOKMAS. These are the ingredients that we'll be using for these lovely cornbread crackers. Flavorful, airy, and crispy, and oh so tasty. So hopefully you guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also drop me a comment down below. Share this video out, certainly appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during COOKMAS. So let's go ahead and get started. So here we have the cornbread crackers, or we could call them Za'atar flavored cornbread crackers. Their texture is crisp and light with a bit of the grit from the cornmeal. Then there's sugar in the dough that's just enough to balance out that salt and the corn flavor, and then the butter gives them that richness, along with the Za'atar seasoning that adds that extra kick of the spice and seasonings that we need. Definitely try this recipe. I know a lot of people now are eating the Trader Joe's version or the cornbread crackers, but go ahead and give this recipe a try and you can make them at home. So hopefully you guys did enjoy today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you've ever tried a cornbread cracker before. Share this video out, certainly appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during COOKMAS. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.
Yeah.